This is how to use launch control in your electric Audi. First step, you're going to want to double pull that down to put it into the sport mode. And then you're going to fully mash the brake, fully mash the gas. You'll see electric at 50%. And 3, 2, 1, launch control. That is how to use launch control in your electric Audi. And just as a side note, that will use a ton of battery. That one pull killed about 1 kilometer of range. So wouldn't be doing it all the time, but it's fun to try every now and again. So hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below. Check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.